grow your YouTube channel like MrBeast, who does not want to have millions of subscribers, right? So watch this video until the end. Step 1. Understand the strategy. This might sound ridiculous, but it genuinely guarantees 1,000 subscribers. I personally use this method to grow this channel from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in just 30 days. You've likely noticed small channels blowing up with just one video. It's not luck. It's all thanks to a simple yet powerful trick that anyone can implement in about 5 minutes. I'll show you how to use this strategy to break free from the small YouTuber trap for good. My goal is to help 1,000 people achieve their first 100,000 subscribers by sharing what actually drives success on YouTube for free. Step 2. Start idea farming. The majority of YouTubers, around 99%, overlook a very important factor that creators like MrBeast, Eric, and Iman Gaji invest over $100,000 a month to perfect. Surprisingly, it's not editing, script writing, or even your title and thumbnail. Yet, this overlooked aspect is likely the reason your channel struggles to reach its first 1,000 subscribers. Ignoring it could mean spending years trying to grow your channel. However, dedicating just 30 minutes to an hour daily to this approach could potentially increase your channel's growth tenfold within 1 to 3 months. This strategy is called idea farming, and it's one of the most impactful actions you can take for your YouTube channel. Here's how it works. Set aside 30 minutes to 1 hour each day to browse the YouTube homepage or explore your favorite channels. During this time, jot down as many content ideas as possible into a structured database. Aim to generate 25 to 50 ideas per hour. According to MrBeast, YouTube is fundamentally an ideas business, and successful creators prioritize this above all else. A strong idea has the power to attract guaranteed views, and there's a proven method to consistently generate viral ideas that savvy small creators use to rapidly grow their channels from the start. Step 3. Look at comparable niches. The key is to explore comparable niches, those that are similar but not identical to your content. For instance, if your channel focuses on business, consider exploring niches like investing, side hustles, or cryptocurrency. These areas attract similar audiences interested in making money online. Visit popular channels in these niches, filter their videos by most popular, and draw inspiration from their successful content. For example, you could adapt a video titled "The Best Side Hustle Ideas to Make $1,000 a Month" into "The Best Business Ideas to Make $1,000 a Month Fast." This approach uses an idea that has already proven effective with your target audience. Unlike simply copying ideas from other channels in your niche, this strategy involves taking successful concepts and introducing them into a niche where they're fresh and competition is minimal. While this is just one example, you'll need to generate hundreds of ideas weekly. At first, it can be challenging to determine which ideas will succeed, leading many beginners to feel frustrated when their well-thought-out videos don't get the attention they deserve. Step 4. Use the value equation. Alex Hormozi developed a framework called the value equation to assess the potential success of a video before it's created. The equation is dream outcome times perceived likelihood of achievement divided by time delay, times effort, and sacrifice equals value. To ensure your ideas perform well, aim to maximize the dream outcome and perceived likelihood of achievement while minimizing the time delay and effort required. Titles that incorporate 2 or 3 of these elements are particularly effective. For instance, a title like "How to Make $1,000 Guaranteed Without Working" effectively targets the dream outcome, perceived likelihood of achievement, and low effort. Step 5. Filter. Ideas with the 5 of 5 rule. Once you have hundreds of viral ideas, filter them using the 5 of 5 rule, which ensures your idea is exciting, feasible, evidence-backed, packageable, and has broad appeal. The 5 of 5 rule is a productivity technique often used in content creation or other goal-driven activities. The rule is designed to help you focus on achieving manageable tasks by setting clear priorities and goals. This will help you focus on ideas that are likely to succeed. First, ask 5 questions. Are you excited about the idea? Is it feasible to execute? Does it match the view expectations based on similar videos? Can you create an engaging title and thumbnail for it? Does it have broad appeal? Secondly, narrow down. Eliminate ideas that fail to meet these criteria. Trivia alert. Did you know that the 5 of 5 rule aligns closely with psychological principles like the rule of 5 in goal-setting theory? Research suggests that breaking down larger objectives into smaller, manageable chunks, often around 5 items, enhances focus and makes goals feel more achievable. This number isn't random. Our brains are naturally better at processing and retaining smaller groups of information, a concept known as the chunking effect in cognitive psychology. This is why frameworks like this are not only practical, but also scientifically supported for boosting productivity. Step 6. Peer review. Your ideas. First, get feedback. Share your ideas with YouTube friends, team members, or communities. Second, ask, would they watch this video? What do they think of your ideas? Third, refine ideas. Use this feedback to finalize your best ideas. Step 7. Create a consistency contract. Finally, preview your ideas using tools like thumbsup.tv to ensure your title and thumbnail work well in various YouTube layouts. Consistency is key. Create a consistency contract with yourself to post 1 video per week for 52 weeks. This combined with idea farming will help you grow your channel and escape the small YouTuber trap. A consistency contract is a commitment or agreement you make with yourself to ensure that you stay consistent with your content creation efforts. The idea behind it is to build discipline and create a routine that leads to sustained growth over time. This involves commitment to posting regularly, start and end, date, accountability, tracking progress, and review and adjust. So in this video, you have learned that the key to growing your YouTube channel lies in consistent effort, smart strategies, and a focus on high-value ideas. Dedicate your time daily to idea farming, analyzing comparable niches, use tools like value equation and the 5 of 5 rule. You can craft videos that relates with your audience and stand out. Pair this with a strong commitment, such as a consistency contract, and you can escape the small YouTuber trap, gain thousands of subscribers, and turn YouTube into a successful path. Start now, stay consistent, and make every video count. Now I'd love to hear from you. What do you think is the most important element for growing a YouTube channel? Coming up with great ideas, staying consistent with your uploads, or something else entirely? I'd really love to hear your perspective, so make sure to leave a comment below with your answer. If you're just starting out or already on your YouTube journey, your insights can help others in the community too. So, the next video will be about side hustles in earning just by watching Google ads, which anyone regardless of age can do. That is why you have to stay updated in our future videos. If you found this video helpful and want more strategies to grow your channel, be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you never miss any new content from Profitability Plus. Keep pushing, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.